Today, Mecha fans, we have some product updates. Dwarf Workshop is adding a new pre-order package kit to allow users to convert the EXS to the Deep Striker. This will be the 1:160 EXS transparent blue frame plus armor kit and conversion kit to Deep Striker. The full package kit comes with the blue inner frame plus armor and Deep Striker parts. You'll get a blue glow if you hit it with a UV light. Full package is priced at 190 RMB, or that's roughly about $27 US. And next on the list, this is the Daban 6602S. This is the band take on the Master Grade Gundam Epyon coating version. Price is at 88 RMB, or roughly about $12 to $13 US. Delivery will be in the first quarter of 2025. And finally on the list, we have the Iron Sickle colored photo preview update. This is their fourth installment in the Actual Night series for the BE line. And like I said before, this will be priced around $14 to $15 US. Upon seeing the actual product, I'm now contemplating in getting 2 copies of this so that I could do a Sinanju or a red version. But knowing SNAA, they'll probably milk it by releasing a red version of this model. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.